I've just bought the YoloBox Ultra. Let's unbox it. This is the first thing that comes out. It's a plug outlet, and I think it is 45 watt CAN charger. These are the other things inside. Firstly, a screen protector and feels like tempered glass. The YoloBox itself. It has 4 HDMI input port, 1, 2, 3, 4, an HDMI out, LAN cable input, 2 USBs on this side, and on this side we have the line and microphone input, the headphone jack, USB-C for connecting your accessories, USB-C for charging, and there is a SIM slot and the SD card slot and the power button. Also get the quick guide, couple of USB cables, USB-A to USB-C, and also USB-C to C, and the user manual. Then we have the hot shoe mount, a SIM card ejection tool, and the Allen key. Let me check if the YoloBox has power. And there you go. So, thank you so much for watching.